This module is used to maintain multi-level bill of materials, item assembly, and reports. To enable it, go to Tools, Program Control, Module Setting. Check the checkbox of multi-level assembly. This module is available in AutoCount Ultimate Edition. OK. Go to Stock, More Stock Maintenance, Item BOM Maintenance. Just like what you have learned in Bill of Material module, this is to maintain the bill of materials. In my example, I maintain 3 bills of materials. The first one is for finished goods FG20. It needs 1 unit of BOM and 2 units of BOM D to assemble 1 unit of FG20. And because the item BOM itself is an assembled item, so I create another bill of material for BOM. Its materials are 2 units of BOM A, 3 units of BOM B, and 1 unit of BOM C to make 1 unit of BOM. So this is the second level assembly. From here, the item material BOM A is also an assembled item. Thus, I create another bill of material for BOM A. The materials are 1 unit each of BOM EE and BOM GG to make 1 unit of BOM A. That makes a multi-level assembly case. Similar to what you have learned in Bill of Material module, you may create stock assembly order. The difference here is if you select a finished goods or item code that involve multi-level assembly, you may click on multi-level checkbox to show the multi-level material items. The child item, check this checkbox so that when apply BOM optional, all related child items or material items in all levels will be modified as well if they are listed in the BOM optional. Similar to Bill of Material module, stock assembly is to assemble finished goods according to BOM setting. It will increase stock quantity of finished goods and at the same time reduce stock quantity of material items. But in this module, it will affect all assembly levels. In my example, if I assemble this finished goods item of FG20, all materials needed multi-level for this item will be affected. If I check the checkbox of multi-level, all levels of materials will be listed, and some of the materials will be assembled automatically according to its required materials. For example, FG20 needs material of BOM and BOM D, and BOM is assembled using BOM A, BOM B, and BOM C. Then BOM A at the third level is assembled using material items of BOM EE and BOM GG. Click on Raw Material Status. You may examine all materials needed for all levels and their stock status respectively. This is to check the availability of material items if a certain quantity of finished goods is to be assembled. Go to Inquiry, check BOM Material Inquiry, click on plus button to select a BOM item code, a finished goods item, and key in the quantity to be assembled. In my example, I want to make 6 units of FG20. Click on Inquiry. The materials needed for all levels will be listed with required quantity, available quantity, total required quantity, and balance quantity after this assembly. Again, the negative value in balance quantity indicates that there is an insufficient or shortage of quantity of that material item. That's all for multi-level assembly module. Thank you.